A critical review of the 8 nutrition rules that Bruce Lee had for his diet. And the first one is to avoid refined flour. And refined flour products basically contain empty calories, which are calories that do not provide any other nutrients. So therefore I agree with this rule. The second rule is to eat Chinese food. And obviously Bruce Lee was from China himself, and therefore he probably preferred to eat Chinese food. This doesn't mean that it is any better than Western food. In fact, China has about the lowest quality of food out there, so I disagree with this one. Bruce Lee also avoided dairy products. He did use powdered milk, however other than that he didn't use those products. And this is probably because he didn't like them or something, because dairy products are actually very healthy for you, at least if you pick the low fat products. Rule number 4 is to eat smaller portions but actually eat more meals a day. So instead of going for 3 main meals, you would eat 5 to maybe 8 meals a day, and this will actually help you to get a more stable energy level throughout the day. I do kind of agree with the next one, which is to drink protein drinks. And I'm not saying that everyone should take protein shakes or something like that. However, it is definitely a good source of protein, and that's also the reason why he took them. Number 6 is to take dietary supplements, and Bruce Lee was said to take a lot of vitamin and mineral supplements. However, I don't really see any benefits in that, especially not if you already have a proper nutrition plan and that is your number 1 priority. To get a proper nutrition plan, and vitamins are then not really necessary in the form of a supplement. Number 7 on the list is to increase carbohydrate intake by blending fruits and vegetables. Those 2 products do contain some good carbohydrates, however not in a high quantity, so you would have to blend a lot of them in order to get a high carbohydrate intake. And I highly disagree with the last rule, which is to take honey and ginseng to increase your levels of energy. Now, honey does provide energy, however only for a short duration, and also it provides a lot of empty calories because it almost has no nutrients at all. And besides that, ginseng doesn't provide you with any calories, and calories are energy. Hence, because it doesn't provide calories, it also doesn't increase your levels of energy, not even indirectly. If you want to learn more about the Bruce Lee diet, then please check out the review that I made of his diet. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and I will see you next time.